Any of you that have visited my website, eBay store, Amazon store, Twitter page, or watched my videos know that I'm a strong advocate of owning coins and metals in your portfolio. Of course, I'm also a proponent of having a diverse investment portfolio and not being too top-heavy in any individual financial segment. The truth is, any investment tends to have peaks and valleys, so your diversity should allow you to have overall gains even when one or two segments have a bad year. In many cases, financial investments tend to move contrary to each other. For example, when interest rates go up, bonds tend to go down. For this reason, it's usually smart to have investments on both ends of the spectrum. The most important component of successful investment portfolio include, in no particular order, investment real estate, stocks, bonds, annuities, saving accounts or CDs, small business ownership, and of course, owning your own home. There are also some more obscure investments such as diamonds, artwork, old cars, and even comic books, but these tend to have a relatively small audience and normally require a higher degree of expertise to make them profitable. There's no hard, fast rule for allocating a percentage of your funds to any segment. Part of the investment equation is determined by your expertise in a given field, your tolerance for risk, and even the timeline as to your horizons when you want to cash in or out of your various investments. Liquidity and safety are also a major component of your decision. When do you anticipate needing your money? Also, my expertise and tolerance for risk in a given field may be totally different from yours. It's usually wise to have a few safe haven investments such as precious metals and coins. I also recommend clearly defining your investment goals. Do you need monthly income or investment appreciation or both? Be careful about getting locked into long-term investments where you cannot access your money for extended periods of time or face large penalties if you withdraw the funds before the contract period. Also consider tax consequences and investment advisor fees that can stealthily reduce your overall margins. Remember, at the end of the day, it's what you keep that counts. Remember, higher returns are generally directly tied to increased risk. Another consideration is your intention to make an active investment that requires a great deal of work and involvement, or a passive type investment that largely marches forward with little or no action on your part. But what about precious metals, gold, silver, rare coins? Most portfolios are woefully missing or underfunded in these physical investment holdings. I've heard some investment advisors tell you to set aside 3 to 5% of your funds, and they should be in precious metals. Very few advisors seem to be banging the drum about numismatic coins. Rare coins tend to be less volatile than gold and silver in the stock market, making them an attractive medium for either short or long-term investment. Coins and metals have an unprecedented track record in growing their value for centuries. Personally, I feel most savvy investors can easily allocate 15 to 20% or more of their free investment funds to coins and precious metals. Perhaps the thing I like most about rare coin investing is there's a finite supply of these old coins in the marketplace, and the segment cannot be easily manipulated like the stock market, futures market, or even the gold and silver spot prices, where it's very common for relatively few small, large players and institutions to generate computer trades, shorts, longs, large purchases, or sales to influence market pricing. The other thing that attracts me to rare coin field is the sheer joy of owning and viewing these well-preserved works of art. It's a sense of pride you just can't get with most other financial vehicles, with the exception of perhaps you're owning your own home or real estate. An investor can easily enter the rare coin market with one coin or a whole collection. There's no minimum investment needed to begin with, and the collection can be added to or dispersed of in small or large increments as needed. Rare coins are easily bought and sold at coin shops, Craigslist, eBay, Amazon, and various auction companies. You can begin accumulating coins with a very basic understanding of coins and coin values, and with very little risk to your principal. Also, coins are easy to ship, store, and carry, as well as offering a certain degree of privacy, as they can be stored in a very small space in your own home or business. Coins are also the perfect estate planning tool and are easily handed down to your kids. Coins can be acquired raw or, for security, purchased pre-graded and registered by major grading companies, ensuring their genuine grade and quality of each coin. They even offer a guarantee as to their grade and authenticity, which lends itself to sight unseen trading. So, in conclusion, I heartily recommend that you diversify your nest egg and add a healthy helping of precious metals and U.S. rare coins. I recommend visiting my stores online. I've included their links below. You also notice that virtually all of my coins are priced below the rate guide, and many offer free shipping. If you're already a metal and coins investor or collector, I'd be happy to help you round out your portfolio. I also often work with other coin dealers to provide that special coin for a good customer at a price we can both profit from. Be sure to check out my other coin and investment related videos on YouTube. I can be reached by email at coinshopliquidators@gmail.com. That's coinshopliquidators@gmail.com. And I can be reached at my website, coinshopliquidators.com. Again, I'd like to thank you for spending the time to watch the video. And if there's any questions I can answer, please contact me. Hope to do some business